Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Ganitha. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 3, A Peek Beyond the Point of Grade 7 Mathematics, the new NCERT textbook, that is Ganitha Prakash. Question is, arrange the following lengths in increasing order. Now if we look at these numbers, the first one, if we see, it is 4 whole 1 upon 10, right? So if we convert this into improper fraction, this is a mixed fraction, right? So what we will do, 10 fours are 40, 40 plus 1, 41. So this becomes 41 upon 10. So this and third one are same. If you see the last one, that is 41 whole 1 upon 10. So if we multiply 41 into 10 is 410 plus 1. So this will be 411 upon 10. Now it would be easier for us to arrange them, right? So which is the smallest? If we see, 4 is the smallest. So 4 upon 10 is smaller than 4 1 upon 10. I am writing the original form, which is equal to 41 upon 10, right? First and third are same. So you'll write like this. And the last one is 411 upon 10. Okay, so this is the answer of the first question. Now let us see the another example which is given over here. Sonu is measuring some body parts. The length of Sonu's lower arm is 2 whole 7 upon 10 units and the upper arm is 3 whole 6 upon 10 units. They have asked us the total length of the arm. So here the explanation is already given. Let us see. To get the total length, let us see the lower arm and the upper arm length as 2 units and 7 1/10, right? If you see this one, this is 2 whole, means 2 whole units and 7 1/10. Okay. And similarly for upper arm it is 3 units and 6 1/10. So if we add the whole part separately, like 2 plus 3, so we add the units of the whole part separately. So 2 plus 3 we get as 5. Okay. See the steps. And we add the fractional part separately. So 7 plus 6, that is 13/10. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 7 plus 6 is 13/10. Okay. Now this 13/10 can be further split into 10 upon 10 plus 3 upon 10. Okay. This 10 upon 10 again becomes one whole. Right? 10 upon 10 means 1 unit, 1 whole. Okay, we have divided this 13 into 10 plus 3. It is fractional part, so you need to write the denominators as well. So 10 plus 10 becomes 1 whole. So this 5 plus 6 becomes 1 whole and 3 upon 10 is the fractional part. So your answer will be 6 whole 3 upon 10. Okay. Now this is one way of solving, that we have added the fractional part and the whole part separately, the unit part separately. Now let us see another method. Here what have they done? They have written it vertically. Okay. Earlier in that they had added horizontally. So 2 whole 7 upon 10, 3 whole 6 upon 10. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 upon 10. Now again this 13 is split into 10 plus 3. So 10 upon 10 becomes 1 whole, that is added over here, and this 3 upon 10 remains, right? So what you can do, you can also convert them into mixed fractions. So I'll just show you. 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 7 is 27 upon 10. Okay, plus this 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 6 is 36 upon 10. Right, so you can add them separately and then get the answer. So what will be the total? You add the numerators and write the denominator once. So 10 is written once. So 27 plus 36. So 20 plus 30 is 50 and this is 7 plus 3 is 16. So you get the total as 63. Right, so this also comes back to 6 whole 3 upon 10. This is another way of solving the sum. So if we see, actually this C part is given over here. The C method, that is the third method is given over here. So this is 27 upon 10, but actually by mistake in the textbook it is written as 35. This should be 36. So here the answer would be 63. So this should be 3. So you make those corrections, otherwise what I have solved over here, that's the correct answer and it is matching with first and second. So this is the third way which I have already shown you. Okay, here also you make a correction. It is 3 1/10 and here it is 6 whole 3 upon 10. Now let us see the next question. The length of the body parts of a honeybee are given. You can see the 3 parts of the body of a honeybee: head, thorax and abdomen. So here they have written it in the mixed form, that is 2 whole 3 upon 10, 5 whole 4 upon 10, 7 whole 5 upon 10. Now what we will do, we'll do only one of the method. You can try the other methods. So here this is 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 3 is 23 upon 10. This becomes 23 upon 10. This is 10 5s are 50 plus 4 54. So this becomes 54 upon 10. We'll convert them into improper fraction first. So this will be equal to 10 7s are 70 plus 5, 75 upon 10. Now we add them, right? So if we add them, I'll write it here. So 23 plus 54 plus 75 whole upon 10, right? So now if we add, you are getting the total as 152. 23 plus this and 75. So you get it as 152 upon 10. So you can write it in the mixed form again. 15 whole 2 upon 10 is your answer. That is centimeter, or whatever the units are given, you need to write down the units. Okay. So that's your answer for this question. The total length of the body parts of the honey bee will be 15 whole 2 upon 10 or 2/10 units. Always write the units along with the answer. If it is given in centimeter, write centimeter. If it is given in meters, write meters. Okay, now let us see another question which is given. The length of Shailaja's hand is 12 whole 4 upon 10. Okay, this is the total length. This, okay, can you see here the picture? And her palm till here, it is 6 whole 7 upon 10. What is the length of the longest, that is the middle finger? Right, so this is the whole part and they have given some part till here. So if you subtract, then you will get the length of the middle finger. So now how to do subtraction, that you will understand. So 12 whole 4 upon 10 minus 6 bracket. Always write down whenever there is subtraction, don't forget to put the brackets. So 6 plus 7 upon 10. Now when we open the brackets, the sign will change. You remember that these are the two terms. When we remove the bracket, if it is preceding negative sign, the sign inside it changes. So this becomes minus. So now what we will do, we will subtract the whole part, that is 12 and 6 if you see. So first you subtract 12 and 6, the whole part, okay. So 12 minus 6 will be 6. And then you take both of them in the bracket. So 4 upon 10 minus 7 upon 10. So here 7 is bigger, it is negative. So you will get minus 3 upon 10. Right, now what to do? Earlier we separated, this was an improper fraction. This is a proper fraction. So how to subtract from a whole part? We split this 6 into 5 plus 1. And 1, as you all know, it is 10 upon 10. 10 upon 10 means 1. So instead of this 1, it is written as 10 upon 10. So that you can subtract it easily. Right, so now you can easily subtract. So 10 minus 3, this numerators, you should subtract numerators. So 10 minus 3 is 7 and denominator should be written 1. So the answer is 5 plus 7 upon 10, which is equal to 5 whole 7 upon 10. Okay. Now let us see another way which is given over here. So the second way is they are subtracting, vertically it is written. So now what is done over here, instead of 12 4 upon 10, they have converted this 12 into 11 and that one whole is added over here, this 10 plus 10. So this becomes 14. So in the beginning only they have added this, instead of 4, it is written as 14 upon 10. So 12 is split into 12, 11 plus 1. And instead of this 1, actually what is 1 is 10 upon 10. So that 10 and this 4, 10 plus 4 is 14 upon 10. Got it? And then minus 6 upon 6 whole 7 upon 10. Now you can easily subtract. 11 minus 6 is 5. And 14 minus 7 is 7 whole 7 upon 10. So 5 whole 7 upon 10. So as in the case of counting numbers, it is convenient to start the subtraction from the 10th. We cannot remove 7 tenth from 14. Why we did this? Because you cannot subtract 7 from 4. So we made this 4 as 14. Fine. Now let us see. So I just explained you, we split 12 and convert it into 10, 1/10. So 11 plus 14 it becomes. Right, and then we subtract, so it becomes easy. Now try computing the difference by converting both the lengths to tens. So what we can do over here is, like the question is 12 whole 4 upon 10. So that becomes 12 tens are 120 plus 4, 124 upon 10. And the other number is 6 whole 7 upon 10, which becomes 67 upon 10. Now if we subtract directly, so 124 minus 67 upon 10 will give you 57 upon 10, that is equal to 5 whole 7 upon 10. Right? This is the third way which we can use to find out the difference. A celestial pearl danio's length is 2 whole 4 upon 10 centimeter and the length of a Philippine goby is 9 upon 10, right? These are the two kinds of fishes and their length is given. We need to find out the difference. So what we will do, we'll convert 2 whole 4 upon 10 into improper form. So 2 whole 4 upon 10 becomes 10 twos are 20 plus 4, 24 upon 10. Now this is already 9 upon 10, so you did not convert. So what we will do, we'll just subtract 24 minus 9 upon 10. So 24 minus 9 will be 15 upon 10. That is equal to 1 whole upon 5 upon 10 centimeters, right? Here they have given the unit, so you need to write down the unit. Now, how big are these fish compared to your finger? So this can be done as an activity in the class. You measure the length of your finger with the help of a scale and then compare it with both the fishes. Observe the given sequences of number and identify the change after each term and extend the pattern. Right, so first we need to observe the pattern here in this case. Now what is 4 whole? If we write it in the form of fraction, so it is 40 upon 10. Okay, this becomes 43 upon 10 and this becomes 46 upon 10. So first you can imagine it this way and just see the numerator. Now the denominator is same in all. So you can see the difference. 40 becomes 43. So plus 3 is added. Then 43 plus 3 gives you 46. So next number would be 49 upon 10. Just add 3. Now 49 plus 3 is 52 upon 10. 52 plus 3 is 55 upon 10. And 55 plus 3 is 58 upon 10. Just observe that denominator remains the same. We are extending the pattern in the numerator. Right? Now, once I have showed you this in the improper form. Now, this you can imagine yourself. So, this is 82, this is 87, this is 92. So, what is the difference between 82 and 87? How much will we add? Plus 5. You can see plus 5 here and here also plus 5. So, what is the pattern? We are adding 5 to get the next term. So, this is 92 upon 10. So, 92 plus 5 will be 97 upon 10. Okay. You can write in the mixed form also. Like if you see, this is 8 whole 2 upon 10, 8 whole 7 upon 10. So 9 whole 2 upon 10. So this should be 9 whole 7 upon 10. Okay. Either you write in this form or the other form, both are correct. Now 97 plus 5 will be 102 upon 10. This is 102. Okay. Next plus 2 will be 107 upon 10. Plus 5 again you do. So you get 112 upon 10. Right? So observe the pattern in the first two and then write the next. Question C. This is 76. I'm just writing the numerator. This is 87. If you see the difference, 76 plus 11 will give you 87. So what are we adding over here is 11 in the numerator. So 87 plus 11 gives you 98 upon 10. 98 plus 11 gives you 109 upon 10. 109 plus 11 gives you 120 upon 10. And this is actually equal to 12. Okay. And then plus 11 gives you 131 upon 10. Right. Question number D. So this is 5 whole 7 upon 10. So if we convert it into improper, this will become 57 upon 10. And this becomes 53 upon 10. You can see that it is reducing. 57 minus 53, that is 4. So the difference is of 4. So we are subtracting 4 from it. So now 53 minus 4 will be 49 upon 10. 49 minus 4 will be 45 upon 10. 45 minus 4 will be 41 upon 10. And 41 upon 10 minus 4 will be 37 upon 10. Correct? Now let us see question number E. 13 whole 5 upon 10, then 12 whole 5 upon 10. Right? So now let us see how much we are subtracting. So this is 135 upon 10. This is 130 actually upon 10. This is 125 upon 10. So 125 minus 5 will be 120 upon 10, which will be equal to 12. You can see there are whole numbers in between. Why are the whole numbers there? You will understand if you cancel this 0, 0. Now, but we are writing in this form because it's easy to subtract. So 120 minus 5 will be 115 upon 10. Then 115 minus 5 will be 110 upon 10. Again, which becomes 11. Okay. And 110 upon 10 will minus 5 will be 105 upon 10. So these are the next 4 numbers. Once you understand the pattern, you can easily find out the next numbers. Question number F. In this, if we see the pattern, 11 whole 5 upon 10 and 10 whole 4 upon 10. So if we convert this, this becomes 115 and this becomes 104. And if we subtract them, we get the difference as 11. So this difference is 11. Again, 104 minus 93 is also 11. So what are we doing? We are subtracting 11 over here. So now 93 minus 11 will be 82 upon 10. 82 minus 11 is 71 upon 10. How can you subtract 11 mentally? 82 minus 10 you do, then subtract 1 more. So 82 minus 10 is 72 and reduce 1, so 71. Similarly, 72 minus 11, that's easy, so 60 upon 10. And 60 minus 11 is 49 upon 10. Right? I hope you have understood the addition and subtraction of fractional numbers, okay, with 10th as a part. So we'll continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.